Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to replace your cartridge in Canon Maxify B. The model number is MB2740. So what you do, put it in power. You can see even it's asking for the toner. Put it in power, then you open here. So you wait for to move. It will move and station itself here. You can see the machine can sense that magenta is the one which doesn't have ink. So what you do, you clip here. When you clip there, it comes out. You take it out, then you bring the new one. For now I don't have the new one, but you bring the new one, then you slide it in here like that. After that, then you're gonna close. So now it will move. It will start moving. You get me? So it's gonna move, and then it's gonna read the toner, the ink. But now the cartridge. Now you can see power was not turned off. Okay. You can see if you say it's gonna give me that error. Why? Because maintenance, you can see it's gonna give me that error because it does what? It does not have, it doesn't have there's no ink in that because it's a new one, it's an old one. So I'm just trying to see if I can make any copy on this in black and white, but this might not happen because it's gonna stop me still reading the toner. So that's the way you change your toner, your ink cartridge, or replace the ink cartridge in this kind of machine. There can be a couple of them, but they are with the same same. You're gonna use the same procedure to do this. Let me see if I can do something here before the machine says something. Maintenance, device settings, print settings, paper. So these are other settings. Estimated ink level. You can see black is fine, cyan is about to finish, this one is finished 100%. The magenta, that's why I take out the magenta. So you have found the print number. These are the print numbers, you get me? So you can see now it's bringing me this error, understand? So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, okay, I think that is it. That is what we could do. So remember, it's a Canon Maxify MB2740. Some you can find the same machines, but a lot of them it's gonna be the same procedure.